Hello students, in this video we are going to simplify a nice radical problem. Here we have square root of 24 divided by square root of 30 plus square root of 6 bracket whole power 24. Here square root of 24 divided by square root of 30 plus square root of 6 bracket whole power 24, and this is equals to square root of 24 is same as square root of 4 into 6 and divide by square root of 30 is same as square root of 5 into 6 plus here square root of 6 bracket power 24. Here we will apply this rule, square root of a into b, this is equals to square root of a times square root of b. If we apply this rule, then this numerator part is square root of 4 times square root of 6 and divide by square root of 5 times square root of 6 plus square root of 6 bracket power 24, and this is equals to, in numerator, square root of 4 times square root of 6 divide by, in denominator part if we take common square root of 6, then inside the bracket here square root of 5 plus 1 bracket power 24, and here this square root of 6 and this square root of 6 is cancelled out. In numerator, square root of 4 divide by square root of 5 plus 1 bracket power 24. Now square root of 4 divide by square root of 5 plus 1. Here we will apply rationalization, then in numerator is multiplied by square root of 5 minus 1 and in denominator is also multiplied by square root of 5 minus 1. Then here bracket power 24. In numerator, square root of 4 is 2 times square root of 5 minus 1, and in denominator if we apply this rule, a plus b times a minus b, this is equals to a square minus b square. Here if we substitute, a is equals to square root of 5 and b is equals to 1, then in left hand side square root of 5 plus 1 is multiplied by square root of 5 minus 1, and this is equals to square root of 5 bracket power 2 minus 1 power 2. Square root of 5 is square, here square root is cancelled out by this square, then 5 minus 1 square is 1, this is equals to 4. So here value of this expression, this is equals to 4. In denominator part here 4 bracket power 24. This is equals to 2 times square root of 5 minus 1 divided by this 4 is 2 times 2 bracket power 24. This 2 and this 2 is cancelled out. Now in numerator square root of 5 minus 1 divided by 2 bracket power 24. Now here we will apply substitution, and if we substitute, x is equals to square root of 5 minus 1 over 2. This expression is x. So here we need to calculate value of x power 24. Now multiply both side 2, then in left hand side 2x, and this is equals to square root of 5 minus 1. Now if we add both side 1, then in left hand side 2x plus 1, this is equals to square root of 5. If we take square both side, in left hand side we will apply a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square, and we know that value of a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then in left hand side 2x plus 1 whole square is 2x bracket power 2 plus 2 times a is 2x and b is 1 plus 1 square, and this is equals to square root is cancelled out by this square, then here 5. 2x square is 4x square plus 2 times 2x is 4x plus 1 square is 1, and this is equals to 5. Now 4x square plus 4x, this plus 1, if we take right hand side, then this is 5 minus 1. In left hand side, 4x square plus 4x square plus 4x, this is equals to 5 minus 1 is 4. Then in left hand side, if we take common 4, then here x square plus x, and this is equals to 4. Now divide both sides 4, and right hand side is also divided by 4. Then this 4 and this 4 is cancelled out, and this 4 and this 4 is cancelled out, there here 1. In left hand side, x square plus x, this is equals to 1. Then value of x square, this is equals to 1 minus x. Here x square, this is equals to 1 minus x. X square, this is equals to 1 minus x. Now if we take square both sides, then in left hand side we will apply this rule, a power m bracket power n, this is equals to a power m into n, and in right hand side we will apply a minus b whole square, this is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. This expression is x power 4, this is equals to, in right hand side, 1 square minus 2 times 1 times x plus x square. X power 4, this is equals to 1 square is 1 minus 2x plus x square. Here x power 4, this is equals to 1 minus 2x plus, here x square, and value of x square is 1 minus x, so here 1 minus x. In left hand side, x power 4, this is equals to 1 plus 1, 2 minus 2x minus x is minus 3x. In right hand side, 2 minus 3x. Now if we take again square both side, in left hand side, x power 4 bracket power 2 is x power 8, and this is equals to, in right hand side we will apply a minus b whole square. Here 2 square minus 2 times 2 times 3x times 3x bracket power 2. Then x power 8, this is equals to 2 square is 4 minus 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 3 is 12x plus 3x whole square is 9x square. X power 8, this is equals to 4 minus 12x plus 9 times x square is replaced by 1 minus x. Then x power 8, this is equals to 4 minus 12x plus 9 is multiplied by 1 minus x, then you will get 9 minus 9x. X power 8, this is equals to 4 plus 9 is 13. 12x, this is minus 12x, and this is minus 9x, this is minus 21x. Here x power 8, this is equals to 13 minus 21 times x. Here we need to calculate value of x power 24. So if we take power 3 both side, in right hand side x power 8 power 3, this is x power 24, and this is equals to, in right hand side we will apply a minus b whole cube. In right hand side we will apply a minus b whole cube, and we know that a minus b whole cube, this is equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab is multiplied by a minus b. Then this right hand side is same as 13 power 3 minus 21x bracket power 3 minus 3 times 13 times 21x times 13 minus 21x. Then in left hand side, x power 24, and this is equals to 13 power 3, this is 2197 minus 21x bracket power 3, this is same as 9261 x power 3 minus 3 is multiplied by 13, then you will get 39, and 39 is multiplied by 21, then you will get 819x, and this is multiplied by 13 minus 21x. In left hand side, x power 24, this is equals to 2197 minus 9261 x power 3 minus 819x is multiplied by 13, then you will get minus 10647x, and minus 819x is multiplied by minus 21x, then you will get plus 17199x square. Now first we will write this expression in next page. Here x power 24, this is equals to, in right hand side, 2197 minus 9261 x power 3 minus 10647x, and last term is plus 17199 plus 17199 x square. Here x power 24, this is equals to 2197 minus 9261. X is cube is same as x times x square minus 10647x plus 17199x square. And we know that value of x square is 1 minus x. In left hand side, x power 24, this is equals to 2197 minus 9261x, and this x square is replaced by 1 minus x minus 10647x plus 17199, and x square is replaced by 1 minus x. X power 24, this is equals to 2197 minus this 9261x is multiplied by 1, then you will get 9261x, and this minus 9261 is multiplied by this minus x, then you will get plus 9261x square. Here minus 10647x, and this number is multiplied by inside the bracket, then this is plus 17199 minus 17199x. Left hand side, x power 24, this is equals to, here 2197 and here 17199. If we add both the numbers, then you will get 19396. Here 9261 times x, and here minus 10647 times x, and here 17199 times x. If we add all the three numbers, then you will get minus 37107 times x, and here 9261 times x square. Now first we will write this expression in next page. X power 24, this is equals to 19396 minus 37107x plus 9261x square. In left hand side, x power 24, this is equals to 19396 minus 37107x plus 9261, and x square is replaced by 1 minus x. Here x power 24, this is equals to 19396 minus 37107x plus this number is multiplied by inside the bracket, then 9261 minus 9261x. Here x power 24, if we add this number and this number, then you will get 28657, and if we add this number and this number, then you will get minus 46368 times. Left hand side, x power 24, this is equals to 28657 minus 46368, and this x is replaced by square root of 5 minus 1 over 2. here square root of 5 minus 1 over 2. In left hand side x power 24, this is equals to 28657 minus this number is divided by 2, then you will get here 23183. Here 23183 is multiplied by square root of 5 minus 1. In left hand side x power 24, this is equals to, in right hand side 28657, then you will get here minus 23184 times square root of 5 plus 23184. X power 24, this is equals to, if we add both the numbers, then you will get 51841 minus 23184 times square root of 5. This is our final answer. I hope you enjoy this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.